Hello everyone, John Wilson here at Johnson RV, located here in Medford, Oregon, right off of Cray Lake Highway. Now next to us we got another 2024 Winnebago Minnie 2630 MLRK floor plan. I really like this interior and exterior design. One thing I do love is you're going to have an outdoor kitchen option, underbelly enclosed for a true 4 seasons package, 12-volt heating pads, and most importantly, independent power stabilizing jack system, so you're not spending a lot of time setting up and you spend more time with your family and friends going camping and enjoying life. Power on an exterior JBL premium sound system, keep that party going there for you, with 200 watts of solar up above and additional options to do so with a 30 amp solar charger controller system. Let's go ahead and take the solid steps inside. Let's take a look what we have to offer. As we get in here, you'll notice it's very massive and open space. You're going to have your slide out here with your couch. It does convert to additional bed. Most importantly, you're going to have lots of open cross-breeze ventilation to keep that coach nice and climate control cooled. Overhead ducting through all the way to the back, and the best part is there's 2 ACs in this coach to keep the climate control, especially during summertime. Lots of counter space. If you have any cookouts or any gathering, you definitely have the option to do so. You have your dinette table here when it's not in use. Close that shut. When you're ready to use it again, bring it back out, and you have more additional chairs you can kind of set up around you. Nice drawers, drop-in stainless steel sink with stainless steel appliancing, 3 stovetop gas burner, convection microwave, and lots of organization. As we come back here, climate control thermostat, closet space here for you. Really nice, massive hallway bathroom. Very spacious inside, porcelain top toilet, dome for extra headroom for the shower, very solid too. Drop-in stainless steel sink, and as we come back here, complete nice walk-around queen bed, very easy to get around with no issues, and your second overhead AC unit to keep the coach, once again, nice climate controlled, and you can't forget that cross-breeze ventilation too. So if you have any questions, you want to take a look at this coach in person, come down here at Johnson RV, located here in Medford, Oregon, ask for John, I'll be happy to take care of you.